So I had somebody ask me at work about the half moon pose. So I'm going to try today to give you my best explanation possible. I'm quite aware that there's people that perform this particular yoga asana much better than I do, but here goes. So generally common mistakes I've seen in half moon are people are a little bit crooked and their hips are a little bit caved in and their leg is a little bit not as high as it should be. I find that this is due to lack of flexibility in the hips and groins. So normally I practice low stance, which is a general martial arts pose, which helps me get into my half moon much more efficiently. I find ever since I've been practicing this low stance frequently, it really makes my half moon look nicer. Another trick is to go either with a lever, a chair, or a counter, and just basically practice kicking to one side. Obviously, once you're done, you breathe towards, kick towards the other side. You do between 5 or 10 reps on each side, and you do as many sets as you like, as this will increase your hip and groin mobility. Once you're done this, you can actually do an assisted half moon. So again, you take a counter, a chair, or a table, or a lever, and you basically lean and do your half moon there. This won't pose too much of a challenge on your balance, which will make it easier just to focus on the proper technique to do your half moon. And so you won't cave in, you won't fall, you won't be that flimsy. It's just a very nice way to practice your half moon without worrying about falling over or tipping over. Plus, you can make more of an aerobic workout out of it. You can do it a few times, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times, whatever you see fit. Once you're done this, you can do a regular half moon, which is you bring your hand on the floor, you look at the hand. My legs are a little bit flexible, so it goes past the horizontal mark. Generally in half moon, what some teachers look for is for the top of the head to be completely horizontal with the foot. Mine is a little bit past the horizontal mark, which is okay. If you're still having balance problems, you can literally practice this with a wall. You try and create a 2-dimensional feeling against the wall, and this for sure won't pose any absolute problems on your half moon. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and namaste.